Nestled along South Carolina's northernmost stretch of the Grand Strand, North Myrtle Beach has 9 miles of wide sandy beaches, along with scenic marshes and the peaceful waters of the Intracoastal Waterway. The vibe here is laid back and family friendly. Whether you're looking for a resort, condo, or oceanfront vacation home, there are options for just about every travel style and budget. One of the area's most iconic landmarks is the Cherry Grove Fishing Pier. It's been welcoming visitors since the 1950s and remains a favorite spot for fishing, sunrises, and ocean views. There are a few experiences you don't want to miss. North Myrtle Beach is the home of the Carolina Shag, which is South Carolina's official state dance. You can dance at the historic OD Pavilion, one of the last open-air beach dance floors on the East Coast, or learn the steps yourself with a lesson at Fat Harold's Beach Club. Go for a sunset cruise and keep your eyes peeled for dolphins. Barefoot Landing is a favorite. The waterfront village has shopping, dining, and entertainment, all set along the Intracoastal Waterway. Summerfest brings live music, family activities, and fireworks to Barefoot Landing. If you enjoy outdoor adventure, you'll find plenty of ways to play. From surfing, parasailing, and banana boat rides to jet skiing and boat rentals, there are endless ways to get out on the water. Take a swing at family-friendly mini golf or tee it up on one of the championship courses. Stroll the boardwalks of Heritage Shores Nature Preserve, where coastal wildlife thrives. Explore Cherry Grove's marshes paddling with J&L kayak tours to Waities Island, one of the last undeveloped barrier islands in South Carolina and the state's northernmost island. Saddle up to experience the beach a different way while on a horseback ride tour at Inlet Point Plantation. No beach vacation is complete without great food. Fresh local seafood is the highlight, especially at the many waterfront restaurants where the views are just as memorable as the meals. You may also be surprised to find local wineries, distilleries, breweries, brunch spots, and plenty of sweet treats throughout the area. To start planning your summer or fall getaway, visit explorenorthmyrtlebeach.com. If you're visiting this summer, don't miss the free Music on Main concert series on Thursday evenings at the iconic Horseshoe on Main Street. From beach days and Carolina Shag dancing to outdoor adventures, live entertainment, and fresh seafood, North Myrtle Beach blends adventure with relaxation for an unforgettable vacation.